Hey everyone, welcome to the Revenue Management Whiteboard. This is where we break down hotel and motel revenue concepts in a super simple way, like we're just standing at a whiteboard together. Whether you're brand new to revenue management or you're looking to increase your skills, you're in the right place. We're going to be covering topics like demand, supply, and price. And we're going to be breaking them down into really simple examples for discussion. Comment in the section below if you have any feedback or questions about any topic. Today we're going to start with a really fundamental topic within revenue management, which is price. And we're going to compare it with customer type. The first customer we're going to look at is our regulars. Now, they stay with you because they like your property. They're regulars. If you reduce your rate, they're still going to stay at your property. If you increase your rate, they're still going to stay at your property. And as long as we're being reasonable, if we jump our price 10 times, they're not going to stay with us. So if we go here to our regulars, if we reduce our price, we're going to reduce our profit. If we increase our price, we're going to increase our profit. So on average at a motel, depending on how good you are, you might have 20% of guests equal regulars. So let's break it down. So if we reduce the price to try and spike demand, we need to overcome the reduction in profit that we would have received from our regulars by dropping the price. The next segment of guests we're going to look at is our price-sensitive guests. Now, price-sensitive guests are different. If we increase the price, we're going to decrease demand. If we decrease price, vice versa, we'll increase demand. Now, a subset of this price-sensitive guest, the next customer you're going to be looking at is a buyer that's looking for premium accommodation. So they're looking to spend for quality. So if you decrease price, you will lose some demand in this area. One of the factors with a premium buyer, because they're looking at quality, the price equals perception. So decreased price equals decreased perception of quality. So when you decrease your price, your premium buyers just looking for good quality accommodation, you're going to reduce the demand. So decrease price equals decrease demand. The reason I bring up pricing strategy is that just lowering your rates isn't always the right answer. Sometimes decreasing price can decrease profit. And I find that this is generally the case. What you need to do is be open-minded and always be balancing, looking for the sweet spot between getting bookings and maintaining profit at your property. So to recap on pricing, not all of your guests react in the same way when you change prices. Your regulars will not change their behavior if you reduce the price. So you will reduce your profit with your regulars if you drop your prices. Your price sensitive guests, you might increase your occupancy. Whether you increase your profitability is another question for this segment. Your premium buyers, when you reduce your rate, you'll reduce your profitability. You'll get less of these. You'll reduce your occupancy. The end goal is profitable occupancy, not just full rooms. The old saying, heads in beds. Stop thinking about it. Start focusing on profit. Thank you very much for watching this first episode of Revenue Management Whiteboard. See you in the next one. These whiteboard sessions are all about discussion and communication. Drop your comments, drop your feedback below. That's how we're going to learn and develop our revenue management strategies.